Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Me and my little guest, star of the show today, Miss JoJo. She is going to be with me while I make her some sweet potato birdie balls. I just have her sidetracked for the moment, playing with some toys, eating on a what is that? I forget what that is. Oh, raw pecan. I just wanted to see if she actually liked them, but I don't think she does. So they'll probably be used for like inside of things like this. That's pretty much what I do, like with trying out new nuts and stuff. When I do get them, I will, if she doesn't like them, I will continue to offer them just in case she does change her mind. And then, why do you have that? And then I will just incorporate them in either her chop or something like that. Ooh, JoJo. But, also within this recipe, you need a rolled oat, or not a rolled oat, but like a quick oat. And so we're gonna use this. I don't even know if you guys are in focus or anything like that. So, but for the sweet potato recipe, you need 1 sweet potato, 1 apple, 1 banana. I think it's a half a cup. 1 cup of frozen mixed veggies, 1 banana, a half a cup of raisins. What are you doing, girl? Which we do not have the raisins, so we'll make it with something else. And then 1 cup of diced apples, and then 1.5 cups of quick cooking oatmeal, cornflakes, granola, or some similar cereal. So you start off by taking her sweet potato. I've already started poking holes into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, or 2.5 minutes, and then 2.5 minutes flipping it over to the other side. The countertop is a mess. I just got back from the grocery store. But I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting her apple. I'm gonna peel everything off of the apple and then dice it up. Okay, so we have our peeled apple, and now I'm gonna go ahead and dice this up. Yes, a poor sweet potato. Yeah. Alright, we gotta show them what we're making. Banana? A piece of banana? No, not right now. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna grab the banana from the microwave real quick. Or not the banana, the sweet potato, sorry. I clearly don't know what I'm doing. But here is the sweet potato after it has been cooked a little bit. If you can see, it's a little bit soft, which is what we want. You know, you're supposed to blend this, but with me literally having my Parrot right here, I'm not gonna blend it because I don't want to freak her out. Yes, I should desensitize her to it, blah blah blah, but right this second I don't have her desensitized to it, so I'm not going to, like I said, freak her out. But what I am gonna do is just mix it by hand and mash everything by hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to a bowl. And we are going to, I'm gonna add in a couple scoops of chia seeds. Of course my battery is dying. Alright, let me add this in real quick and then I'll switch the battery over. But just like a couple of these scoops right here. Or no, I'm just gonna add in 1 scoop, not a couple, because that's quite a bit of chia seeds. And I will see you guys in a second. I'm gonna change my battery real quick. As you guys can see, this is probably going to take a little bit longer than what it would if you had a blender or a hand mixer or a food processor or something like that, or even a larger bowl. Now, when you're mixing this, you don't want to puree everything. You're not making pureed balls. You're not having to cook this. This is a completely non-cooked food item, except for the most cooking you're going to do is the sweet potato in the microwave. For like 5 to 9 minutes. Joey, be careful, please. Please, baby, be careful. Gotta add a little bit of Oaties. Yeah. I didn't quite measure everything out like they say to do. The only thing I did measure out was the vegetables. Everything else I pretty much did like by eye. Joey, girlfriend. JoJo, careful, baby. Okay, so that's what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and add the mixed veggies real quick. Okay, after you mix everything up, it should look kind of like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start making my small balls. And I have my parchment paper right here. And I'm just gonna lay everything out on these and then put them in the freezer. You can give one fresh to your parrot after making it, and then put the rest in the freezer for about an hour or 2, and then put them in some small Ziploc baggies when they are done freezing. Now I get to clean up my kitchen. Put everything away, huh, JoJo? We're gonna put all the tufts away. Yeah. I love you, pretty girl. You wanna come get on Mama's shoulder? Wanna come get on Mama's shoulder? No, you just want loving. So this here is all the balls that you guys seen, the amount of stuff that I had in that bowl. This right here is all the balls that it made. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take one out of this, put it in a little bowl, and take Joey back to her cage. But if you guys like seeing videos like this where, hold on baby, if you guys like seeing videos like this where me and my bird get together and we make recipes for her, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will make more of them. I have so many other recipes that I would love to show you guys. And yeah, so we will do that. See you guys in our next one. Bye.